JEONHWAHAE. JEONHWAHAE. What does this expression mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word JEONHWAHAE. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 256. JEONHWAHAE. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is Jeon, second syllable is Hwa, third syllable is Hae. Pronounce it with me. JEONHWAHAE. JEONHWAHAE. Again, JEONHWAHAE. The word JEONHWAHAE is an informal way of saying, call me. If you could remember, one among the previously discussed word in this channel is jeonhwa, which means telephone. And we can actually transform that into a verb by adding hada at the ending. So when we say jeonhwahada, it becomes an action of calling someone through a telephone. And jeonhwahae is just the present tense form of the verb jeonhwahada. Again, jeonhwahae is an informal way of saying, call me. Now let's study how to write jeonhwahae in Hangul. The first syllable jeon is formed from the combination of a jiat, o, and nian character. The second syllable wa is formed from the combination of a hiya, o, and a character. And take note that the wa sound is formed from the combination of the o and a characters. The last syllable he is formed from the combination of a hiya and a character. And then we just need to combine the hangul for each of these three syllables to form the hangul of the word jeonhwahae. Just to know more about the term jeonhwahae, we have already mentioned a while ago that it actually came from the verb jeonhwahada. And this verb actually is very related to the noun jeonhwa, which means telephone. So, the verb jeonhwahada is the act of calling someone through a telephone. But take note that jeonhwahada is not yet conjugated. When jeonhwahada is transformed into its present tense form, it becomes jeonhwahae. And practically, jeonhwahae is used to ask someone to call you. Specifically, to call you through a telephone. But this context is not limited to just calling someone through a telephone. Other kinds of phone is also applicable, like the hand phones or the cell phones. And with that, you've just learned jeonhwahae. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 246 to 255. But don't forget our word for today, word number 256, jeonhwahae, which means call me. The first word for our review is word number 255, weyo, which is a polite way of asking why. Word number 254 is an kayo, which means not going or to not go. Word number 253 is an mewoyo, which means not spicy. Word number 252 is jeonhwa, which means telephone. Word number 251 is almana, and this is used to ask for the degree or intensity of a certain description. Word number 250 is mewoyo, which means spicy. Word number 249 is neda. This is a verb which means to pay. Word number 248 is onmayeyo, which means how much is this? Word number 247 is hol. This is a Korean slang used to express shock, surprise, or sarcasm. And the last word for our review is word number 246, 그래서, which means so. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.